We got married 5 days before Christmas.
After being married for more than 3 decades, Michelle and James Denny are facing the biggest challenge of all.
I have about a year to live without new lungs.
James is third on the list for a double lung transplant.
If I don't get it, I'll die.
And someone out there just stole their car. Inside the oxygen tanks they must carry. They need it to get to doctor's appointments or rush to the hospital if James is chosen to receive his life-saving transplant.
If they call and I say I don't know that I can make it on time, they give it to somebody else.
After seeing our Fox 31 Problem Solver story, a good Samaritan who insisted on remaining anonymous reached out donating his BMW wagon. Then the team at the Sharpest Rides dealership in Inglewood donated their services to check out the car and make sure it's safe.
I'm glad that we can help out.
Okay, so this couple's really in need. You ready to get this done? Let's go give a car away.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
All right, let's do it. It's Shaw. We're downstairs.
Michelle has no idea we're paying her a visit to actually hand over a new car.
This is your new car. Oh,
Are you serious?
This is on behalf of the Sharpest Rides. We just want to make sure you're taken care of.
Oh my gosh,
Terrible.
thank you.
You're welcome, Michelle. Oh, that's great.
You have no idea what this means to us.
James was unable to make it downstairs, so we showed him this video of the car.
That is beautiful. Thank you so much. It's going to fit all of our stuff.
Bad things happen to good people, and we wanted to be a part of the solution.
One less thing to worry about this Christmas.
Fox 31 Problem Solvers just literally helped save my husband's life.
You guys just took that extra step and literally took care of us.
Shaw Turner, Fox 31.
How cool is that? We just learned that Cervantes